Hi and welcome to Laser Gadgets. Today, after a long break, another Nerf mod. I thought I would never steampunk a Nerf, but I just had to. And I love the Hammershot, and this is a forward Hammershot. And now you can prime it with this lever, John Wayne style, or Terminator, whatever you prefer. And yeah, it's pretty wild. Tiny ball tank in the rear. The barrel is some oval pipe I actually had left from my old static bicycle. For cardio, broke down on me, and that way I can at least say I recycled it. Looks pretty cool. Some coils on top, freaky side on top. Tension springs are for the lever action. Lights in the tube, of course. And now let me show you the other side. I'm not saying the other side is cooler, but more light. And right here, that's the battery storage. And I found it cool to put on some exhaust pipes. And in the rear, this is wood. Don't ask me what it's called. I think it's wenge. Must be African. And the ball tank with some cooling spiral made of copper. Everything that looks like brass is brass, as always. Like all this stuff. This is copper pipe. This is painted aluminum, but this is copper, brass, steel. The paint for the Hammershot is dark gray, some light gray, silver on the action lever. Flexible brass hose for the supporting structure. The inserted stock was a bit, let's say, weak or feeble. Needed some beefing up, so more brass, and yeah. Also real wood, pretty exotic wood actually. And now let's fire some darts. And here we go. Total fun. Let's see how fast you can fire 5 darts. You don't even have to take off the trigger finger, so pretty fast. other side for the last time. And speaking of next time another Nerf mod, and after that probably another Nerf mod. Had a commission for some Warhammer stuff and also something big. So stay tuned, and I see you guys next time.